special marine warning for waters from South Santee River, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, out 60 nautical miles. Waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, out 60 nautical miles until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line from 6 nautical miles east of Kiowa Reef to near Ossabaw Sound, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 34 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Betsy Ross Reef, R7 Tower, Hunting Island Reef, Beaufort 45 Feet Reef, Fripp Island Reef, General Gordon, Fripp Island Wreck, Hilton Head Reef, Fripp and Lead Buoy, Dredge Henry, Buoy L, Latex Barge, Sailor Barge, Tug Delta Diamond and Edisto 60 Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.